smoother turn. A lot of beginners go too fast into the turn. Turning left or right. You want to make your turn smoothly. That's up, Frank. You want to make your turn smoothly. You want to go in slow and accelerate out. Got about 10 minutes. You got questions, put them in. I'm a state certified driving instructor. I teach teens and adults. I'll shout you out. What's up, Spuds? So you have to be able to maneuver your car. You got to be able to make a turn. What's up, Diego? Cato? And good speed control is really important. You have to practice that hand over hand into the turn, that hand over hand out of your turn. Smashing these potatoes. Parallel parking. If you don't practice, you're going to struggle. So you want to line your car up. You want to reverse back. Cut it to the right. What's up, Veronica? Go in an angle. What's up, Isabel? So you want to work on good